As the Buffalo area continues to dig out from a devastating winter storm, stories of survival and strangers helping each other are emerging. One woman is being called an angel for likely saving a 64-year-old man's life. Sha'Kyra Aughtry brought Joe White into her Buffalo home on Christmas Eve after hearing him screaming for help outside. Now, White, who is developmentally disabled, got lost in the whiteout conditions and desperately needed medical attention. Aughtry called 911, but first responders did not come, so she posted a video on Facebook begging for help.
This man is not about to die over here on 111. Y'all need to get this man some help.
Good Samaritans later came to drive White and Aughtry to a hospital. Joey has severe frostbite and is in the ICU burn unit, but overall he's in stable condition. His family members are also very grateful for Sha'Kyra.
This man could have died. 64 years old, could have died outside. I wasn't letting that happen on my watch, and he wasn't going to die in front of my kids.
This woman did something that an angel would do, okay? To take in a perfectly a stranger, you took him in your home on Christmas Eve.
Oh, it's so sweet. The storm is responsible for at least 37 deaths across Erie County, New York.